Hello guys, today we will learn how to use Shotcut video editor and all its important features. If you have low-end PC, this software will be very helpful for you. Shotcut is a free open source cross-platform video editor for Windows, Mac and Linux. So let's see how to download it. To download it, type download Shotcut on Google. And then click on the first link, and if you are using Windows, then click on Windows installer. After downloading it, double click on it to install it, and then click on I agree, and then click on next and click on install. After installing it, you can follow the further tutorial. After opening Shotcut, you will see this screen. You can select the project folder, and here you can also name the project. And here you can set the quality of the project, or simply set it to normal, and then click on start. This is called the player area, and this is the timeline area where you can edit the video. Now I'll show you how to import video or audio file in Shotcut. To import the file, click on open file and select the file you want and click on open. And to edit it, we have to drop it on the timeline area like this. There is another way by which you can import the file. To do that, you have to open the folder where the file is. Select the file and drag it on Shotcut. So by these two ways you can import the file to edit it. Now we will learn how to split or trim a specific part of video if we don't want it. So maybe I don't want this middle part of the video, so I will place the playhead here. Maybe I don't want part of video from here to here, so I place the playhead here and click on this split at playhead icon, or I can simply press S, and till here I don't want it, so I am pressing S. So I don't want this part, so I will click on it and right click on it and click on remove, or I can simply press X. So by this we can trim or cut a specific part of video if we don't want it. Now when we play the video, it is not looking that interesting. It is looking very boring because it has no background music and no sound effects. So now we will learn how to add a background music to any video. So first click on this 3 lines icon and click on track operations and click on add audio track, and you can also press Ctrl+U on keyboard. When you click on add an audio track, it adds an audio track in the timeline so that we can add audio to the project. So after that, click on open file and import the audio which you want in the video and drag and drop it on the audio track. So now when we play the video, the background music is also playing in background. So by this we can add a background music to the video, and you can also cut the extra part of the background music. So like this we can add background music to any video. Guys, now we will learn how to add text to any video or any part of video. So maybe I want text from here till here, so I will split this part by placing playhead here, and I will click on S until here, and I will click on this part and I will go to filters and I will add text simple. So initially it will show times code. So here I will type subscribe because I want subscribe text here. And I will place it to middle. So it came to middle now. And I will click on this font to change its color. So I want red color, so I will click on red and then OK. And I can also add outline. So I will click on this outline and click on white color and increase its thickness to make it visible. You can also add background, and if you don't want background you can set the alpha channel to 0. This is the one way by which we can add text to any video. Now I will show another way by which you can add text. So first I will add a video track and then I will go to open other and then I will go to text and then type text here and click on OK. I will make it to middle and it is too small, so I will untick this use font size. Now I will change its color, its outline and its outline thickness. And I will drag and drop it to the video track which we have added. So now it is looking very good. I will make it small. And when I play this video, it is looking very good. Guys, now we will learn how to add fade in and fade out effect to any video or audio file. So you can see that there is no fade in or fade out effect. You can see. So for adding fade in effect, you will drag this dot to the middle, and to add fade out effect you will drag this point at the right side to the middle. When I play this video, you will see that this text filter is getting faded in and faded out. There is another way by which we can add fade in and fade out effect. So first click on the video file or audio file and go to filters and add fade in video or fade in audio if you want to add audio. So I want fade in video, until which time you want it. So I want it for 2 seconds, so I will set it 2 seconds. you can see that it is fading in, and we'll also add fade out effect. So click on filters and add fade out video, and for 2 seconds. So when we play this video, you can see that the video is fading out slowly. So by these two ways we can add fade in and fade out effect to any video or audio file. Guys, now we will learn how to add blur effect to any video or photo. So I want blur effect on this number plate, so I will click on this video and I will add mask simple shape, and another effect I will add blur box. These effects should be added in order, and another effect is mask apply. So I will go to blur box and increase its width and height to full. You can see now it's becoming blur, and in mask simple shape I will increase or decrease its width and height and change its position towards the number plates. So you can see the number plate is blurred. Now when I play this video, the numbers on this number plate are not visible clearly. So by this we can add blur effect to any video or photo. Guys, now we will learn how to add zoom effect to any video or any part of video. So you can see there is no zoom effect in this video, and I want zoom effect when the cue stick hits the ball. So I will split this part by placing playhead and pressing S, and till here I will split it. Now I will click on this part and I will go to filters and I will add size, position and rotate. And increase its zoom value. It is getting zoomed, and now when I play this video, this part of video is getting zoomed, and you can see it clearly that the cue stick is hitting the ball. But the effect is getting zoomed in and zoomed out very quickly. It is not looking very clean, so I will click on keyframes and make these dots to the middle. Now when I play this video, this is getting zooming in and zooming out very smoothly. It is looking very clean. So by this we can add zoom effect and make it smooth. Guys, now the final topic of this tutorial is the chroma key or green screen effect. So for this you will need two videos or one photo or one video. One should be green screen video and another should be the background. So first you will add an video track, two video tracks. So in the second video track you will add the green screen video, and below you will add the background. You can see that there is no background in this video. So make sure that the background is below the green screen and extend it to the video, and click on the green screen video and go to filters and add Chroma Key simple. And choose the pick color option and choose the color of green screen. And now when I play this video, you can see that the background is coming instead of the green screen. So when I zoom it, you can see that there is some green outline on the logo. To remove it, increase the distance and it will disappear. So you can see that there is no green outline now and the video is looking very good. So by this you can use Chroma Key. So after doing all the work, it's time to save it or export it. So to save it, you will click on this save icon and locate the location where you want to save and name it. And click on save. So when I save it and open it, it will open again and you can re-edit it. And to export it and get the MP4 file, you will click on export and click on export file and locate the location. So it has started to export. It will take some time. Now it is done, and when you open this MP4 file, you can see that the video is getting played. So by this we can export or save a video file. Hope you learn and apply this. Hope you like this video.